Welcome to our deep dive into the ultimate muscle recovery routine. If you've ever pushed yourself in the gym, you know that recovery is just as crucial as the workout itself. In this video, we'll explore science-backed recovery techniques that can help you bounce back stronger and faster. From foam rolling and stretching to nutrition and hydration, we'll cover a variety of methods that are proven to enhance your recovery process. Understanding the significance of muscle recovery is essential for anyone looking to prevent injuries and promote muscle growth. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Recovery allows these fibers to repair and grow, leading to increased strength and endurance. Neglecting this vital phase can lead to overtraining, fatigue, and even injuries that can sideline your fitness journey. But it's not just about avoiding setbacks. Effective recovery strategies can significantly maximize your fitness gains. By incorporating these techniques into your routine, you'll not only feel better but also perform better in your next workout. So, stick around as we break down these essential recovery methods and help you unlock your full potential. Understanding muscle recovery. Muscle recovery is a fascinating physiological process that plays a crucial role in your overall fitness journey. When you engage in intense workouts, your muscle fibers experience micro tears. This is where the magic of muscle repair and growth begins. During recovery, your body works to repair these damaged fibers, leading to muscle hypertrophy, which is the increase in muscle size and strength. One key aspect of recovery is muscle soreness, often referred to as delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. This soreness typically peaks 24 to 72 hours after a workout and is a sign that your muscles are adapting to the stress placed on them. Alongside soreness, inflammation occurs as part of the healing process. While inflammation can be uncomfortable, it's essential for signaling the body to initiate repair mechanisms. Recovery doesn't just impact your muscles, it significantly affects your overall performance and fitness progress. Adequate recovery allows your body to replenish energy stores, restore hormonal balance, and reduce fatigue. When you prioritize recovery, you set the stage for improved performance in your next workout, enabling you to lift heavier, run faster, and ultimately achieve your fitness goals. Understanding these physiological processes can empower you to optimize your recovery routine for maximum results. Hydration and nutrition. Hydration and nutrition are fundamental components of an effective muscle recovery routine. Water plays a vital role in muscle function, as it helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, and remove waste products. When you exercise, you lose water and electrolytes through sweat, which can lead to dehydration if not replenished. This dehydration can impair muscle performance and recovery, making it essential to stay hydrated before, during, and after your workouts. In addition to hydration, the right nutrition is crucial for muscle recovery. Foods rich in protein and carbohydrates are particularly beneficial. Protein provides the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores that fuel your workouts. Incorporating recovery foods like lean meats, eggs, dairy, whole grains, and fruits can significantly enhance your recovery process. Timing is also key when it comes to nutrient intake. Consuming a balanced meal or snack within 30 to 60 minutes post-workout can optimize recovery. This window is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients, allowing for better repair and growth. By prioritizing hydration and nutrition, you can ensure that your body has the necessary resources to recover effectively, ultimately leading to improved performance and fitness gains. Active recovery techniques. Active recovery is an effective way to enhance muscle recovery while keeping your body engaged. Low-intensity exercises, such as walking or cycling, are excellent options for promoting recovery. These activities increase blood flow to your muscles without putting them under significant strain, helping to deliver essential nutrients and oxygen needed for repair. In addition to low-intensity exercises, incorporating stretching and mobility work into your routine can greatly benefit your recovery process. Stretching helps to alleviate muscle tightness and improve flexibility, which can enhance your overall performance in future workouts. Mobility exercises, on the other hand, focus on joint health and range of motion, allowing for better movement patterns and reducing the risk of injury. One of the key advantages of active recovery is its ability to reduce muscle soreness. Engaging in light activity can help flush out metabolic waste products that accumulate during intense workouts, leading to a decrease in delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. Furthermore, improved circulation from active recovery aids in delivering nutrients to your muscles, speeding up the healing process. By incorporating these active recovery techniques into your routine, you can support your body's natural recovery mechanisms, ultimately leading to enhanced performance and a more enjoyable fitness journey. Rest and sleep. Rest and sleep are often overlooked yet critical components of muscle recovery. During sleep, your body undergoes essential repair processes that are vital for muscle recovery. This is when growth hormone levels peak, facilitating muscle repair and growth. Additionally, quality sleep helps regulate cortisol, a stress hormone that can hinder recovery if levels remain elevated. Without adequate sleep, your body struggles to repair muscle tissue, leading to prolonged soreness and decreased performance. To improve sleep quality, consider implementing a few strategies. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help regulate your body's internal clock. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or practicing mindfulness, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Limiting screen time before bed and ensuring your sleep environment is dark, cool, and quiet can also enhance your sleep quality. Moreover, incorporating scheduled rest days into your training program is essential for optimal recovery. These rest days allow your muscles to recover fully, preventing overtraining and reducing the risk of injury. By prioritizing rest and sleep, you set the foundation for improved performance, better muscle growth, and a more sustainable fitness journey. Recovery tools and techniques. Incorporating various recovery tools and techniques can significantly enhance your muscle recovery process. One popular method is foam rolling, which involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to specific muscle groups. This self-myofascial release technique helps to break up knots and improve blood flow, ultimately reducing muscle tension and soreness. Similarly, massage therapy can provide deep relaxation and targeted relief, promoting overall muscle recovery and enhancing flexibility. In addition to these techniques, modern recovery tools like massage guns and compression gear have gained popularity among fitness enthusiasts. Massage guns deliver rapid bursts of pressure to the muscles, mimicking the effects of a professional massage. This can help alleviate tightness, improve circulation, and accelerate recovery. Compression gear, such as sleeves or socks, works by applying pressure to the muscles, which can enhance blood flow and reduce swelling after intense workouts. Using these recovery tools not only aids in muscle repair but also helps to prevent injuries by keeping muscles pliable and reducing tension. By integrating foam rolling, massage therapy, and innovative tools like massage guns and compression gear into your recovery routine, you can optimize your muscle recovery, enhance performance, and ensure you're ready for your next workout. In this video, we've explored the critical importance of muscle recovery and the various techniques that can enhance your recovery process. From understanding the physiological aspects of recovery to implementing hydration, nutrition, and active recovery methods, we've covered a comprehensive range of strategies. We also discussed the benefits of rest and sleep, as well as the use of recovery tools like foam rollers, massage guns, and compression gear. The good news is that many of these actionable strategies can be implemented immediately. Whether it's prioritizing hydration, incorporating low-intensity exercises, or using a foam roller after your workouts, you have the power to optimize your recovery and improve your overall performance. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on fitness and recovery. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your fitness journey. Remember, prioritizing recovery is essential for achieving your fitness goals, so take these strategies to heart and start implementing them today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.